My name is Jesse Minor, HRM 134. How's my experience being in National Alliance? Well, as far as I observed, it was really awesome because I've learned I've learned how to be a responsible student, and I meet a lot of people, and I like it because they are so kind to me, and people in National University are very friendly. Although it's kinda annoying the new HRM policies like no his, no entrance, no coat, no entrance. Uh, Although they wanted to be practice us to wear off those, I really don't like it because they don't even think that some of HRM student has no money. They have uh, uh, instead of buying coat, uh, they're they're saving their money for the tuition fee. Uh, there's so many expenses in being in a HRM department. Expensive requirements. Sorry, I'm just expressing my concern as a student of HRM department, but still, I've experienced so many things um, inside of the campus, teachers. Teachers, some of them are friendly, but some of them also are very strict. Uh, in a way that the whole class was getting boring, and I like the experience. I like the experience of being in a national. To be part of section HRM 134. This class was so very nice and kind to me. They are friendly, and many of them has a sense of humor, and very cooperative. They won't leave you anymore. Uh, I I had also an experience, a very fun experience. It was like uh, there was a girl inside of the the toilet room. Then I heard something bruise. I heard something bruise, and I was like panic because I mean, and pretending I don't heard something, uh, and I walk slowly so that the girl, uh, I mean, I walk slowly so that the she won't see anyone outside, so she won't feel embarrassed. Uh, uh, that's all. Those I've experienced inside the campus.